Hey everyone, these are my hibiscus flowers that I'm going to put to dry so I can make some hibiscus tea. Now let's go pick some hibiscus flowers, the rest of the flowers. Birds are singing. While I'm walking, I am also walking barefoot. I like to do that so I can ground myself. I will come out here and I will stand with my feet on the base. I will come out there, I'll stand with my feet on the grass, no shoes, so I can ground myself back to the earth. You know, my chakra under my foot, I like to get balanced. Now I'm going to walk and pick the rest of the hibiscus flowers so I can put them to dry so I can make hibiscus tea. This is a hibiscus right here, so I'm going to pick it. That's one. More hibiscus. So I can make the tea. And the last one, tiny. Okay. The birds are singing. Now that I have all these on, that's an ant. Now that I pick all of them, I'm going to now put all of them together so they can dry. In the sun so they can dry just like that. I leave them here, let them dry. Day 2 and all the hibiscus is dry. I'll be able to make hibiscus tea except this one little one, but if you don't have sun you can always put it inside to dry. I put it in on a towel in the glass container because I didn't want it to fly away. As it gets dry, it becomes lighter and it can fly away with wind. Now I'm inside and this is what it looks like. It's all dry. So I will make some tea when I'm ready with it. Right now I just like sitting here in this, and when I'm ready I'll make some tea. But this is what dry hibiscus leaves look like. It only took 2 days. Like I say, if you don't have sun like me, you can just open a towel, a kitchen towel, a clean one, and spread the leaves on there and let it air dry. But I had the sun, so I used the sun. Now these are my dry hibiscus leaves. I'm going to make some tea. I'll use a clear cup so you can see the process. So I'm gonna take the leaves. I'll take some leaves. I don't want a lot. If you want it strong, you put a lot. If you want it light, you do a little bit. So I'm gonna put some in the cup. I think I need more. If it's too strong, I'll just dilute it. I take some more. Now I have dry hibiscus leaves in a cup. I'm going to pour hot water so it can stay and brew. Hot water. These are the leaves in hot water. I have one of these little cup covers. I cover it and I'm gonna let it brew for about 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what the tea looks like because I'm going to be drinking it. Now it is time for the tea. It has been sitting there and brewing for about 5 minutes. So uncover it. I love this little thing. You can fold it in half to store it, or you can store it just like this. I got this years ago. I don't even remember where, but I love tea and this is why I get it. So I can cover it so my tea can brew nicely. So this is what the tea looks like. All the hibiscus leaves have diluted their colors to make the tea. What I do, I go like this, and I take this hibiscus flower that has now been used and I throw away. This is what it looks like now. No more in there. This is what they look like. Now I have a nice fresh cup of hibiscus tea. If you want, you can strain your tea. If you want, you can brew your hibiscus tea in a cup like this that has a filter strainer. Or you can brew it like this and strain it. I do it either way. So now I'm going to take this beautiful cup of fresh hibiscus tea and sip it and relax. Now I'm getting ready to enjoy a fresh cup of hibiscus tea that I brewed. Let's see, taste this. Yes, delicious. I don't sweeten my tea or my coffees, but if you do, add some sugar and enjoy it. But for me, I just like drinking it just like this, and it's nice, delicious, hot, and relaxing. Enjoy a cup of tea today. Be well, hope this was helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye.